Hello student, now we'll continue the third type of list, that is a definition list. In early two lectures we have seen ordered list, unordered list and their attributes. Now the third type of list is a definition list. The definition list is used to define the different kind of list with their titles. If you want to display the different kind of list with their different kind of definitions with their point, then you can use the definition list. The definition list is denoted by the tag DL. The definition list is denoted by the tag DL. The DL tag is used to define the definition list. In definition list, we can create different list items with definition. The definition list or DL tag is used along with the DT and DD tag. DL tag is used along with DT and DD tag. These two tags are used. The DT tag will highlight the definition point. The DT tag will highlight the definition point, while the DD will define the actual definition of that point. DT पॉइंट कशासाठी वापरायचा, तर तुम्ही ज्या पॉईंटची डेफिनेशन लिहिताय तो पॉईंट डिफाईन करायला तुम्ही DT टॅग वापरायचा आहे, आणि ॲक्च्युली त्या पॉईंटची जी डेफिनेशन आहे ती डिफाईन करण्यासाठी तुम्ही काय वापरायचं आहे, तर DD टॅग वापरायचा आहे. म्हणजे टोटल डेफिनेशन लिस्ट जेव्हा आपण डिस्प्ले करणार आहे तर 3 टॅग वापरणार आहे आपण. DL, दॅट इज अ डेफिनेशन लिस्ट टॅग, DT टॅग अँड DD टॅग. These 3 tags are used to create a program which will display definition along with their points. Now here I will write a program based on definition list as usual. Here I have introduced a new point. While writing HTML program, you have to write this sentence at the first line of your program. That is, your program belongs to HTML5 language. That is, your program belongs to HTML5. After this, in early all program, you have to write this line. That is DOC type HTML. Then first tag is HTML, then head, then title. Here I have used the title as a definition list. Here I have used the title as definition list. End of title tag and also end of head tag. Then as usual, the starting of body tag. Then here we can use the heading tag H3 to highlight your heading of your program. That is example of definition list. Example of definition list, end of H3 tag. Then after this, actually the starting of definition list, that is DL. Then here I use DT tag. In DT tag I will write here web, that is browser, web browser. Then end of DT, here the point of web browser which is denoted by the DT tag. By using DD tag, we will write the definition of web browser. By using DD tag, we will write the definition of web browser, that is, it is an software used to display information received through internet. That is end of DD. End of DD. Then second definition point by write using DT tag, that is HTML. Then end of DT tag. Then now write definition of this HTML or long form of HTML by using DD tag. That is definition. HTML refers to hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language, and end of DD tag. Here now we will close the end of definition list tag, end of body tag, and the last end of HTML. The definition list tag, the name it having meaning that you have to write the definitions of particular points, then you can use the definition list tag. To define this tag, we will use three tags: DL tag, DT tag, and DD tag. The program based on DL tag or definition list tag, as usual same program. Then change is here DT. After DL there is no attribute of DL tag. We does not use any attribute along with DL tag. We will use two tags, DT tag and DD tag. Here first DT we have write web browser, that is highlighted point of definition list, and next by using DD tag we have write the definition of web browser. After that we will DT HTML, that is point, and by using DD we have write the HTML as a hypertext markup language. After this video, in notes I will give nested list program. म्हणजे एकाच लिस्टमध्ये आपण तिन्ही लिस्ट टाईप वापरून तयार केलेला जो प्रोग्राम आहे, दॅट इज अ नेस्टेड लिस्ट प्रोग्राम. ह्या व्हिडिओच्या नंतर मी तुम्हाला नोट्समध्ये सेंड करीन. त्यांच्या घरी कॉम्प्युटर सिस्टीम आहे, लॅपटॉप आहे, त्यांनी तो प्रोग्राम किंवा आतापर्यंत झालेले सगळे प्रोग्राम आहेत ते आपल्या कॉम्प्युटर सिस्टीमला टाईप करून सेव्ह करून रन करायचे आहेत. एखाद्या प्रोग्रामला जर एरर येत असेल तर तुम्ही मला माझ्या पर्सनल नंबरला किंवा आपल्या IT च्या ग्रुपला तुमच्या ज्या क्वेरीज आहेत त्या सेंड करायच्या आहेत. त्या क्वेरी क्लिअर करून प्रत्येक प्रोग्राम आहे तो व्यवस्थित रन करून बघायचा आहे. थँक्यू.